Changing your Straight Talk Home internet passwords, both for Wi Fi and admin access, is crucial for security. Default passwords leave you vulnerable to unauthorized access, data breaches, and malware. This video will show you how to secure your connection by changing these passwords. You can do this by accessing the device's web interface, usually at 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.1. The default login info is often printed on the device itself. Log in with the defaults and follow along. First, connect to your Straight Talk Home Internet Wi-Fi or use an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and enter your gateway IP, which you can find in your device manual. Log in using the default credentials. To change the Wi-Fi password, navigate to Wireless Settings. For the admin password, go to Administration. Enter strong, unique passwords with at least 12 characters, including letters, numbers, and symbols. Save the changes and reboot the device if prompted. Test your new logins and regularly check for firmware updates via the Straight Talk app or website to stay protected.